Hello and good morning. So today we are going to look into reasoning in uncertainty. So we are going to look into the exercise in the page 513. So here we are. So if you are familiar with this question, you can turn to page 513. So given the following rules, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4, rule 5 and rule 6, you need to calculate the certainty factor for risk tolerance is high. So how are you going to do it? So in order to do this question, so you need to scan the following set, okay, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 and R6, and see if which part of the consequent. So you can look into here, but there is no other consequent. So secondly, you have to look into the certainty factor for have children, yes. So if you have here, so you can see that have children is 1.0 and then enjoy gambling is 0.8. So for this matter, you will select 0.8 because we have here is n. Okay, we have n over here. Okay, n. So when there is an n, so you should select the lowest value, which is 0.8. Okay, next we look into rule number 2. So we have children, so this will be 1.0. And then children headed for college, yes. So you will have to search it over this list of facts. So children headed for college, yes, 0.3. And then children education already funded, no. Children education already funded, no. So this will become 0.4. So we have 1.0, 0.3, 0.4, and then the whole rule is 0.4. So you can calculate for R1, okay, R1 CF, okay, the whole R1 CF. To get the risk tolerance is high, you have to select the lowest value, which is 0.8 times 0.9. Then you will get 0.72. Okay, this is for CF1. Okay, CF1. Okay, secondly, you can get CF2. Okay, you need to calculate CF2. So because it is n, you need to select the lowest value, which is 0.3. And then you need to times it with 0.4. So CF2, okay, for the rule number 2, we should have 0.3 times 0.4. So it should equal to 0.12. And then you need to follow the formula as laid inside the notes. So you can see the formula over here. Okay, you can have a look on the formula. If I'm not mistaken, the formula is around here. Okay, so CF1 plus CF2 times 1 minus CF1. So you need to calculate that. So for this, I'm going to write in the text field, okay, the text box. Okay, I'm going to use a text box, or I'm going to use this shape. So you can have okay, CF, total CF. So we have a CF1 plus CF2 times 1 minus CF1. Okay, already you have to remember this. 0.072 plus 0.12 times 1 minus 0.72. So we can get 0.28 plus 0.12 to 8. So we can get plus, right, for this you have to use the calculator. 0.0336. So you can get 0.7536. So Okay, this should be the final answer. That would be most probably. Okay, most probably, if you look inside the table. Okay, almost certainly, sorry, almost certainly, risk tolerance is high. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all for our tutorial today.